The Jeep brand announced pricing for the quickest, most powerful Wrangler yet, the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392. The action-packed SUV will carry a manufacturer's suggested retail price of $73,500, excluding $1,495 destination, for the launch edition. It features 470 horsepower with 470 pound-feet of torque from its 6.4-liter V8, full-time 4x4, a functional hood scoop, dual-mode performance exhaust, and a long list of premium standard features that include a sport steering wheel with shift paddles, leather-covered performance seats, and is on-road and off-road ready. For passionate Jeep owners who crave even more of an ultimate open-air experience, Jeep Performance Parts from Mopar is introducing new half doors for the iconic Jeep Wrangler. The new half doors and choice of upper window assemblies are available as part of a new Jeep Wrangler dual-door group factory option for both the 2- and 4-door models of Jeep Wrangler Sport, Rubicon, Sahara, Rubicon 392, and 4xe. The new option will be available this spring. A total of 7 vehicles from the Alfa Romeo, Chrysler, Ram, and Jeep brands are among those selected by the editors of Car and Driver for the 2021 edition of the publication's annual Editor's Choice Honors. The 2021 Car and Driver Editor's Choice list covers 96 vehicles over 32 market segments, selected from more than 400 models that the publication's editors have tested. According to Car and Driver's editor-in-chief, this is the list of those vehicles we would recommend to our friends and family, the vehicles we think are reliable, safe, and fun to drive. The 2021 Ram 1500 Crew Cab has earned a 2021 Top Safety Pick rating from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. The rating applies to Ram 1500 Crew Cab models equipped with the Advanced Safety Group. Ram 1500 was the first pickup to achieve the Top Safety Pick rating, and marks back-to-back Top Safety Pick status from IIHS. Those are this week's top stories on Stellantis Spotlight.